everyone, this is Carloz, and today's video we were going to unwrap my packages that I bought in Lazada. But remember, this is not a sponsorship in any merchandise that I bought. But before we unwrap the video, let me tell you first the difference between unboxing and unwrapping. When I received some of these packages in Lazada, I think I should call it unwrapped because it wasn't used in a box, because the unboxing was mentioned in a box. Your item was in the box, while your item was in a wrapping box. I think it's in wrap or something. So with no further ado, let's get started unwrapping my things that I buy in Lazada. In this first package that I received, I'm going first to open it using my scissors. Oh my goodness! This is a tag. Did you notice these were used in the car, but since the reason why I had this scissor is because I'm going to cut, and because I don't have car and I don't have any something to use. Instead, I'm going to cut it with these. There, separated. And also, I have it has also a hat, it's also activated. Try to remove because I'm going to use it like that. Because when I ordered this item, it was used this kind of thing. I'm not going to use it like that. Instead, I'm going to keep it here inside of it because I'm scared because I think they get like this kind of package. I didn't use this properly. Or I'm going to use it outside in the car, make it go away or something. The second item that I will do, this is also my second item that I'm going to open. Ooh, not just one, two items. There are two items, and I'm going to first open this one. And these were the toys that were likened by my little sister. Jake, come here please.
Hi.
These toys were for you.
Aww.
You're welcome. But wait, there's more. Here. sorry, man. And also, only 2 years ago, I think, the second sequel of Frozen was released, and I don't watch Frozen, so I gotta give it also to my sister. I would like to apologize that I didn't buy all that because I don't have any money. Okay, for the last two of the package that I open up, I'm gonna take a look for myself for what is this. Forky! Well, that's all for today that I bought from Lazada. And if you notice that I ordered this not so easy to buy because all of them were so freaking expensive. What? I have also another unwrap video, but first I'm going to click wherever you want to see my first unwrapping video. Also, by Lazada. Remember, the video is not sponsored by Lazada. I just only want to share my unwrapping video because from this day, it's my vlogging anniversary of the first Carloz TV. Remember? Always remember that spending is not a power. That's all for today. See ya next week.